environmental and social programs in the regions surrounding the mine. The company also says it's replanted more trees than were destroyed in the building of the mine. There is no doubt that the copper mine has been an economic bonanza for Panama, representing up to 5% of its gross domestic product and a whopping 75% of its exports. But those numbers mean little to the fishermen who have set up camp on First Quantum-owned land next to the fort. When they aren't on the water, they make themselves known by walking up to the back gate of the mine. And if any supply ships try to reach the port, they mobilize.
You've already been here for a month now with this blockade. What if the Supreme Court and the government say this mine needs to stay open?
I think that this will be an unstoppable war. If they take our lands and contaminate our rivers, live off, leave our family members. We know it won't happen overnight, but we want it to end.
Coming up, grinding the mine to a halt. We have anger and distrust towards Canadians. When W5 continues. Littering is against the law. Find the right place for your waste.
Three major brands, custom packages, local service, Pinnacle